Good morning to all. I welcome you all to this didactic program, Thirukkuralodu Naam, attending in fact with a noble desire to reach the seat of grace in life by practicing the ethical values of Thiruvalluvvar.
Couplet number 633, chapter The Office of Minister of State. Once a neighboring king of Macedonia took up a battle against Alexander the Great. In the war, Alexander was defeated. Alexander escaped from the battlefield along with 1,000 soldiers and took asylum on an island. The remaining army strength was captured by the neighboring king. Having come to know about the whereabouts of Alexander through his spies, the rival king formed a very large force consisting of Macedonian soldiers who were captured during the war to secure Alexander from the hideouts either alive or dead.
Knowing this evil design of the rival king, Alexander consolidated his 1,000 soldiers and decided to fight a war with the rival king. He hopped onto his horse and proceeded. Both armies met at a place and there were only a few hours left for the commencement of war. Alexander could well understand that fighting at that time was equal to committing suicide. So he hatched a plan and informed his army men that till he returned from the rival camp after meeting them, they should not panic and they should maintain peace at the battlefront. Saying so, he hopped onto his horse and proceeded to the side of the rival king. The rival king wrongfully thought that Alexander was approaching his side only to seek arm for his life as he became afraid of his army's strength. He laughed at the Alexander. As he went alone into the rival camp, the rival king and his soldiers did not attack Alexander. In the middle of the rival camp, Alexander shouted, saying that he came to them as his old king, and if he had done anything wrong or anyone was angry against him, they could kill him right there. If there is no such thing in their hearts, then they should follow him. Saying this, he returned to his camp. The lakhs of Macedonian soldiers were moved by the Alexander's words and started following him back to his fold. The rival king became stunned at this development. Alexander reclaimed his kingdom with the full force of his army. A minister who makes efforts to separate the support of enemies protects those supporting him and makes those who left him rejoin his group is the best minister in a king's cabinet.
Our Saint Tamil poet Thiruvalluvvar speaks about this in his Thirukkural as follows. பிரித்தலும் பேணிக் கொளலும் பிரிந்தார் பொறுத்தலும் வல்லது அமைச்சு. I recite. பிரித்தலும் பேணிக் கொளலும் பிரிந்தார் பொறுத்தலும் வல்லது அமைச்சு. Avoiding bad companies is courageous. Joining good companies is wisdom. Thank you very much indeed. நன்றி, வணக்கம்.